Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off the green circle in LinkedIn. This green circle indicates your active status to other users, and turning it off can give you more privacy while browsing the platform. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control various aspects of your LinkedIn experience and customize how others see your activity. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, you'll be taken to a new page with multiple tabs. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice different categories. Look for and click on Visibility. This section controls how visible you are to other LinkedIn users and what information they can see about your activity on the platform. Within the Visibility section, scroll down until you find a heading that says Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This is the area where you can manage settings related to your presence and activity signals on LinkedIn. Under this heading, you'll see several options related to how your activity appears to others. Click on Manage Active Status. This option specifically controls whether other users can see when you're online and active on LinkedIn. By managing this setting, you have control over your online presence and can choose who sees when you're browsing the platform. You'll now see a few radio button options. To completely turn off the green circle that shows you're active, click the radio button next to No One. By selecting this option, your active status will be hidden from all LinkedIn users, and the green circle will no longer appear next to your profile picture. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the green circle in LinkedIn, giving you more privacy while using the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.